We're in Ambi Valley. We stopped for a small photo shoot. From here we'll move back to Mumbai. Just see the group. So almost 15 passionate riders riding their Duke 390s.
भाई है
from Andheri somewhere in 5 o'clock in the morning, and with all the waiting and gathering of all the members of the group, I have reached Andheri by 1:40. GoPro battery was low and it went dead. TOS meetup, which consisted almost 15 plus members, it was a successful event. Most of the people came on time, so we could finish the trip within a stipulated. During the journey we did not face any surprise moment or problems with our motorcycles, luckily, except for one incident. one of the fellow called as Amod, so he got his alloy wheels bent. So that is this portion. Both his rear wheel and front alloy wheel got bent in one of. So that's it for this episode. Maybe we will meet in next episode with some more interesting content.
And as I lay here in the street,